In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Mailchimp email address in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. Perhaps you've updated your business email, or you simply want to switch to an email that you check more frequently. Whatever the reason, updating your email address in Mailchimp is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Mailchimp's login page. This is your gateway to accessing all your email marketing tools and settings, including the one we need to change your email address. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp login URL. This will take you directly to the login page where we'll start the process. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. This is the email or username you initially set up with Mailchimp. After you've entered this information, the next step is to input your password. Be sure to type it in carefully to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten it, don't fret. Mailchimp has a password recovery option right there on the login page. Once you've successfully input your username and password, it's time to click the login button. This should take you straight to your Mailchimp homepage, where you'll see an overview of your campaigns, audience, and more. Now for the main event, changing your email address, look towards the top right corner of your Mailchimp dashboard. You'll see your profile picture or a placeholder if you haven't set one up yet. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile. This action will direct you to a page where you can access all your personal information and settings. On your profile page, you want to find a section labeled Email Address. Here's where you currently have your old or current email that you'd like to update. Click on the email address and you'll see an option to update it. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be presented with a field to enter your new email address. Take your time and enter your new email accurately. Remember, this update means all future communications from Mailchimp, including campaign reports and notifications, will be sent to this new email. After entering your new email, there's typically a confirmation step to verify that you own the new email address. This usually involves logging into your new email account, finding the verification email from Mailchimp, and clicking a confirmation link. And just like that, you've updated your email address in Mailchimp. It's a simple process, but an important one to ensure you continue to get crucial information about your email marketing efforts. A couple of things to keep in mind. It might take a few minutes for the change to reflect across your account. Also, this email change will not affect your login details. Your username remains the same unless you decide to change it separately. To wrap things up, always ensure your Mailchimp account is updated with your current email address. It's key to managing your campaigns effectively and staying on top of your email marketing game. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your email address in Mailchimp. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, keeping your email marketing tools updated is crucial for your business's success. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to dive deeper into Mailchimp's help center or reach out to their support team. They're always there to help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tips and tutorials to make the most out of your digital marketing tools. Happy emailing!